The 4 steps for conversion is 1. Divide. Secondly, using the answer as the whole number. Number 3, place the remainder as the numerator. And number 4, the divisor as the denominator. Here is an example. 21 over 4. So the first step that we would do is to divide. So we would take 21 divided by 4. Then we would times that by 5 to get to 20. 21 minus 20 is 1. Now, how do we convert this to a mixed number? The answer that we got, 5, this would be the whole number. So we will place it like so. The remainder here would be the numerator. And the divisor, 4, would be the denominator. So this would be our answer for the mixed number. Now what about this one? To go through the same process, we want to first divide. And we would times 9 by 3 to get 27. Subtract. 31 minus 27 is 4. Again, we want to go ahead and convert that to mixed number. So the whole number here would be 3. The remainder, you want to place right on as a numerator, 4. And then the divisor of 9, that would be our denominator. So our answer would be 3, 4 over 9.